Welcome to our channel HMS Tech Tip. You want to update your Windows 10? Then follow up with us what we are doing. So you have to write on the search bar Windows 10 download. Then you will come to Microsoft website and here you will find two options. One, update now, and click on it and update assistant will download it. Right click on the downloaded file and then click show in folder and you will come to your file manager and here you will find what you have downloaded. As I already downloaded one software, then we can see here two files. So we are removing it and go to our desktop. Okay, so if you can't find it here, you just double click on this file location and you will come to this page and the window will appear here. Oh, you're waiting. Okay, so here you can see update to the latest version of Windows 10. Okay, here is said one of the best features of Windows 10 is that it keeps getting better with every update. This PC is currently not running the latest and the most secure version of Windows 10. This PC is running version 10240. So here your PC's version, Windows version will appear and the latest version is 20H2. Okay, so we can help get the latest security enhancement and okay, so click on update now. Here you can see congratulations, this PC is compatible. So you will see also this page. Okay, here you can see CPU is okay, memory is okay, and everything is okay. Okay, so if you do not click on this update now, automatically it will update it, so don't worry. So okay, we are recording it with my mobile. So here you can see the update is verifying and it is now updating. Okay, so see updating 13%, here 43%. So it will literally take 2 or 3 hours totally, so keep patience and wait for it. Okay, so our update is verified and you can see your PC is updating. Okay, click restart now. Okay, here you will find this, wait for now. Okay, working on updates. Don't turn off your PC. Okay, you should never turn off your PC. This might take several minutes. Okay, we are waiting. These updates help protect you in an online world. Leave everything to us. Okay, almost there. Okay, choose privacy settings for your device. You read this and select what you want to share with Microsoft account. Okay, so here you can see a lot of permission, so you have to decide which permission you will give to Microsoft. Click accept and you will appear on this page. We have got the latest Windows. Thank you for updating the latest version of Windows 10. Okay, okay, so we have updated our Windows 10. So we let me check it. Is our Windows is updated? Okay, here you will see a lot of new options are here, and the options are decorated nicely. Okay, so right click on the this PC and click personalize properties, sorry. So here you will see our Windows device specification. Okay. So here you can see Windows specification, and we have updated it to 20H2 Windows, and the edition is Windows 10 Pro. Okay, we have done it.